I hope this doesn't fall off. What? I'm like that. Sorry, girl. Call me over. Not on the bed, lay me on your I need to say my top. I taste yogurt. Ew. That's what I had for breakfast. Run, Molly, run. I can't make it down. Good. You're good. Is it on? Yes, it's on. Bro, you got a sexy butt, girl.
What we want, right? One beautiful day on our field, all right? That's your opponent over there. Go beat them, okay? Go beat them. This is what you wanted, all right? Conference opponent, conference rival. They're going to give you a hell of a game. Come out here with the best energy you have, all right? The rest take care of itself. Whatever it takes, keep the level up, keep the energy up, keep the enthusiasm up, all right? Execution will follow. Let's go, ladies. Come on. Hey, play fast. Let's use that space. Find our space and use it. Come on, hey, let's try and avoid those fouls, all right? Let's work to be composed. Come on, Mark. Come on, Mark. Come on, Mark. I'll just stay goal side. Get ready to rotate, Aaron. You're good. You're good, Aaron. M. Close. You're okay. You're close. What a ball.
That was the time to do it.
Talked about it. M, you're almost there. Fine. You all right, Tess?
Yeah, my heel skin is just like I'm definitely getting a blister right now.
Gotcha. Thanks for the info.
You're welcome. You asked.
I expect to know the centimeters and everything about it soon, all right? Details. Well done, well done, well done. Pick it up. Yeah, throw it down, throw it down. Let's go. Right now. Go. Go beat her, beat her.
Come on, let's go, come on. What's wrong? Yeah. Get in!
That's a great ball. Oh. Come on, Anna. Come on. For what? There it is. Well done, White. Well done. But the fact that we could give them this game today on their home field, all right? It's not just us. This whole university, the conference, everyone had to come together to get them a senior game on their home field again. All right, and I'm happy we won and everything. The fact that we pulled this off and the fact that we're figuring out a way to learn from it and get better and send them off right, that's what I'm most proud of.
1, 2, 3!
Oh. Yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good. Hey, McKee. Yeah, Haley.
Yeah, we went in there.
One on.
One more. Go. If you need to get.
Come on, boys, clean it up. Let's go. String something together. Close it. Close it. Close it. Well done. Ted. Come on, boys. Let's get on the ball. Hey, Miles, relax. Pete, swing it. Yeah, keep moving. My bad, my bad. Yeah. No, that's our best singer on this team. Yo, Wizzy. All right. Just go big, go big, go big, go big, go big. Hey, push up, push up. Push up, middies. Come on, Jack, Tristan. Tristan's going to come out. Okay, Tristan's going to come out. McKee's going to go in. You're going to play wide on the right. Okay. Same of what you've done this week, right? It's a good wake-up party for you. Let's go. Don't foul. Millie to Hey, Millie to Healy.
What? You have to peel off and follow.
It's a throw-in, dude. 10. Hey, hold it. Hey, Dakota. Hey.
Butts hang out there.
Just drop one in the black circle. If it comes to him, now inch up. Now we inch up.
It's Christopher Neyman on the penalty kick.
Let's go, Ben! Let's go, Ben!
He's not giving him a red. He already said he wasn't. One of the best COVID games of soccer I've seen in a while. Oh boy.
Good game.
Game, guys.
Well done,
Good game, guys.
seniors.
Hey, you guys will be ready next week.
All right, get in the ice bath and be ready to go next week. Good game, guys. Good job, buddy. Out there, man. A lot. Should have ate your bananas last night, right? Should have ate your bananas. My boy, Millie. That a boy. To watch the game, right, was super exciting. We did so many good things, right? So many good things. Super proud of you. It was an awesome effort, right? It was an awesome effort. I don't care who's been practicing for how long, right? We came out here, we left it out here, got the lead, right? Fortunately, we gave it up, but we came back and we pinned them in for large stretches of that game, and most especially in the overtime, right? That's all we can do. To the seniors, right? Hey, heck of an effort, heck of a ride today, right? In the last few years, right? To see your teammates come over to you guys after the game, right? I hope that means a lot to you. I thank you guys. Great job today, guys. Team on three, ready? 1, 2, 3. Team.